everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and this is my lovely wife,
Terry.
Terry.
What, did you forget my name?
No, I wanted you to say it, so I didn't know
okay.
you're behind the camera. I didn't know if you wanted them to think we snuck in a camera personnel or whatever. No, it's Terry and I doing it all. As you all know from our last video, how addicted we are to watching Jesse's survival series,
which is on the McJuggernuggets channel.
On the McJuggernuggets channel, and I hope everybody's started to watch it because it's just I can understand how this survival series mimics life. I mean, you're earning things in a circle to survive. It's just like life. You're earning things throughout your life. You sacrifice things to get further in life, and it's the same in a circle. And I think it was a great idea to throw this out. And Jesse, Castilla is doing a great job with this because, and I'm not saying because, but he's a single man. He has good foundation of family, it seems like, and he doesn't have children, and I think that may help him out, or has helped him out through this, because you get going through life, and you got jobs, you got all this coming on, and you couldn't be able to take 30 days. And 30 days seems like a lot to some people, but 30 days in the grand scheme of life isn't that much. 30 days, and the outcome of this could be beneficial for the rest of his life. All the sacrificing builds character.
Yeah. And
just think of when he's done, and I have a great feeling that he's going to be done. And finish this.
It's day 24.
Day 24, right? And I mean, it's just you're coming in, to the home stretch. That tells
day 24 of a lot of challenges of being alone a lot.
Yeah.
I'm sure he's going to feel very accomplished when he's done.
And just imagine, sitting there by yourself, and a lot of people can't deal with that either, being by themselves. They have to have interaction with other people, or dogs or other loved ones, things like that. And that poor guy's been sitting out there for 24 days, and he's had nobody other than every once in a while, Jess and Ash come out and talk to him, and then the interaction of the fans has been key to his survival and success. And I've noticed that when Jay Games is crying on the screen, you're crying too. You're crying for him.
Yeah.
Because you know the sacrifice and the emotional stress and strain that he's had on him throughout this whole process. And hats off to him, because he's done a great job doing it. In the very beginning, when he first got his canvas, he got that, he was drawing a picture of his girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
And at first I'm thinking, okay, I'm not buying into that, is this, how good he was, until he started bringing in the backgrounds, bringing in the facial, bringing in the hair colors, and bringing things like that. And you find out how talented the kid is.
Oh, yeah.
He spent the one day painting for hours and hours and hours. He's an eagle's landing on a canvas, and he's got some really good artistic creativity.
Like, I really dig this. I want to steal this from you guys. We're auctioning this off to one of you guys towards the end of the live stream, but I really want it.
Yeah.
And then another aspect is I find out he was in ROTC throughout high school, which is another good thing for survival and learning things. I think this isn't for the faint of heart. I think our Jesse, had a great person there to do this. He couldn't have had a better person, only because his disposition and the way he's handled things has been key to the whole process and the key to the show.
Yeah.
And hats off to Jesse, our Jesse, to come up with this idea and to facilitate it, and with all the problems he has and is going through, to be out there as much as he was. I know he's had his stem cell operation and is going through the healing process right now, but the kid is, you know, fighting to get out there.
So let me ask you a question. So if Jesse had a survival 2 and he asked you to do it, do you think you would be able to do it?
Yeah, I think I could. So did I ever give you a tour of living in the square? Over to your left or your right is my bathroom. Over here is my cooking area. Over here, this way, once I move the chair, will become my sleeping area. That's living in the square. This is a very defined space. Now today's competition is baby food, eating baby food. Now, most people would think if a baby could eat this stuff, then a human adult could eat this stuff. So I don't know how bad it's going to be. I remember when we had the kids that we would sample everything, but we only tried sampling the good stuff. So today I'm going to start off with bananas. Bananas should be good, I hope. And let's hear the pop because we got to make sure it's fresh. There it goes. It kind of doesn't have that banana-y fragrance. Okay, here we go. Now again, this is bananas and this is Gerber. I already checked the date on it too. It's good till September of 2025. That's not banana. It almost tastes like peaches and a banana and a rotten apple. There's been a lot of things that I've sampled over my career.
Why did you smell it? I know I've had all 5 of them.
But I said it tastes good. Oh my God. I've heard it tastes good, but I can't get over eating a baby chicken.
I can't get over trying to eat something while these two are puking their guts out.
Yeah, and look, I'm telling you, the eyeball's right there looking at it. Look.
That was a juicy noise.
Oh my
The
God.
eyes looking at me. I can't look.
No way. No way.
I
Are you
think.
gonna do it?
Oh jeez. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, at least the inside. You can't get rid of it. It sticks everywhere.
I'm so sorry, all of you.
Over everything, dude.
So much puke.
Wow.
Next one is turkey. Ew. That looks nasty from it. It looks like paste. Nice, fresh, nasty crap. Now this smells really nasty. I don't know if you can see this.
I can smell it from here.
You can smell it. I think
It looks like refried beans, though.
it does. But I think a canned dog food smells better than this. Here we go. The key is not to breathe through your nose, but sometimes it permeates you and gets you. God! Why did we feed it to babies?
This is
I'm so scared, bro.
that's fine. It's healthy to be scared. I would be scared. A wet burrito? Huh? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Get off me, little bee. Pesky bee.
Nah.
2 glass Cokes, thing of dude wipes. It might not be that bad. This might be.
Man, this is really hurting. How long have I been up here?
45 seconds.
45 seconds?
45.
That's it? I can't even use this arm to adjust my other arm, and it's cutting into my thing.
The minutes are feeling long.
And to have that stuck in my hand is ice cold. How am I supposed to drink? That's the biggest competition part of this, is a cold beer that's stuck in your hand and you can't drink it. So, I think I can last a couple more hours. Tuna, you can't eat the competition stuff. Here's one for you. This is what you normally eat. So I'd like to introduce my partner here in crime. This is Deep. Deep sliding down on a chair a little bit, but Deep and I are handcuffed to one another, and we're going to stay together as best we can inside the square.
Here it comes, guys.
Here it comes! Have you ever eaten dog food before?
I think when I was a child, I might have tried a biscuit.
Oh, well, this is probably just like a biscuit. Oh, we could bust a tooth on that. Not too bad. Not a lot of flavor. I might have to go to the dentist this week because I think I just cracked a crown. But in a situation where you're hungry, you're starving, there ain't nothing wrong with this. You know, a little water would go a long way here. And I think it's stuck in that hole that I have in my hair. You see, it got like a grainy, grimy mess. But here. All gone. Another competition in the books. Right, Deep? What are you bending over gooking? Hey, Deep, this has been a piece of cake, hasn't it? It's okay.